Hello, welcome back once again, and today we are going to learn about an interesting factor that is called scikit-learn in machine learning. So the introductory part of our learning has been, we've gone through pandas, we've gone through NumPy and matplotlib. Now we are getting into the machine learning part, and what I'm going to take you is through the scikit-learn, and if we can probably, let's have a look at this. So here so we looked about data collection, and that is the data modeling, and through the past tutorials we have looked at problem definition. We have looked at how we can handle data, on how we can import data, and how we can correct our data if there is any missing values, and then we have gone through evaluation of our data, and also we have gone to some of the features of our data. What features should we model? We have gone all through that. Now we are in the fifth part, that is modeling. So what should we do with our modeling? So here the first step when coming up with a model, let's say from any data, you have to first do source and prepare your data, then that code your data is going to be a second step. Then the third step is train, evaluate, and tune your model. This is to training and validation of data, where we have to split our data into training and test data set. And then our next step after that is gonna be deploy your train model. Now we're gonna deploy this train model, and then from these deployed train models we can get prediction from this model. And then the following step is gonna be monitor the ongoing predictions. And then the final step is gonna be manage your model and version. So what are we going to cover in this scikit-learn? Here we go. So we are going to cover an end-to-end scikit-learn workflow. Then the first step we're gonna do is getting data ready to be used with machine learning models. We're gonna get our data ready, and then the next step is gonna be choosing a machine learning model. Then after that we're gonna do fitting a model to the data, that's the learning patterns. Then we're gonna make predictions with a model using patterns, then evaluating model predictions, improving model prediction, saving, and loading these models. So I'm gonna demonstrate slowly by slowly each of these steps. We may use two separate data, but I'm gonna show you on how we're gonna do this a step by step, so that you can see what's going on. So I think the first step is gonna be getting data ready to be used with machine learning. So I'm gonna show you on how we can get our data ready, and then which will be used in machine learning. And the three main things we should do when getting your data ready to be used with machine learning, the first step we should start by splitting our data into features and label that will be represented by X and Y. And the next step, still when getting our data ready, is we're gonna fill in missing values, also known as inputting or disgrading missing values. And then the other thing we're gonna do is feature coding. That's converting non-numerical values to numerical values. As we know that you cannot do prediction, and you cannot use scikit-learn and, let's say, make prediction with non-numeric values. So we have to definitely convert them into numerical values. So let's start. Let's go straight to the point.